Hello. This is Els coming from Beamer's Crafty Corner, and I went on a Scaventure. I went all by myself today, and nobody died. It was a good day. Although there were a few people who needed it. The lady who kept pushing me out of the way in the savers and kept walking in front of me purposely, she needed to be throat punched. The woman with her daughter, with her 14-year-old daughter's half her chest hanging out, she needed to be throat punched. The kid with the rebarb and concrete at the Dollar Tree, he needed to be throat punched. There's a lot of people that needed to be throat punched today, but I didn't do it, so I'm proud of me. Pat myself on the back. I didn't kill anybody today. So let's see, what did I get? All right, so the very first thing I got today was a cigar box. This is a Churchill box, so it opens in the front, and I think I'm going to do a, box. You know, what the hell, right? So then we got bags. I got bags. Okay, so I saw this bag, and I grabbed it. And the reason I grabbed it was because it had needles in it. It had some sewing needles for my sewing machine, which I like. These are G needles, so that's always good. It had these in here. I'm going to give these to the hags. These are needle protectors for knitting needles, and I don't knit. And it had this, which is a set of repair needles. So I've got my hook needles and my darning needles and my upholstery needles, and this big puppy right here, which has a giant razor blade on the front of it. Love that needle. So I grabbed those. And then there was this little package, and I love these things. These are T-pins, because they look like a little letter T, and they're great for holding things when you're working on stuff, so I grabbed those. And, ooh, look, as a bonus, I got some grouse grain ribbon. Not a bad little grab bag. This, however, is what started my problem at the Savers. Because this was in front of this woman, and I said, excuse me, and reached in front of her and grabbed it after she had already passed it by. So she wasn't happy. So, Powder Puff Chalking Ink in Tahiti. And this is by, no idea. Don't even recognize it. Let's take a look. Quick Quotes Scrapbooking. But these are what I really wanted. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Persimmon, red brick, magnolia bud, pumpkin spice, and pretty petunia. These are Versamark Versamagic, and these are chalk ink pads. And they're pretty juicy, and they look brand new. They literally look brand new, like they've never been used. So I grabbed those. They're archival. Yeah, they're pretty juicy, man. So I grabbed those because they were well worth the money that I paid for the bag. So I grabbed those. So I found another one of these. You know, these bill organizer, check organizer things. And like I said, I'm looking for one to put, you know, my bling bling in. And I have the paper one, but I think I want to make a journal out of that. So I think I'm going to be using this one to put my bling in. Who knows? But then I found this. And this is from Hallmark. Okay. And this is a set of note papers and envelopes. And it doesn't tell me how many pieces are in here. But, you know, it's a boxed set. So I grabbed that because that was a couple of bucks. And I found these. And these are certificate envelopes. Nice, big certificate envelopes. And these are 9 by 12s. And I like these because they ship really nice. So I grabbed those. Put the rubber bands back on here. So I grabbed those, and then I went over and looked at the fabric, and let me get this out of the way. So the first one I found was this one, and I think you guys can see the pattern on this. But it's beautiful, and it's about 1.5 yards, 1.33 yards. So I grabbed that, and then I saw this, and this is 60-inch wide. So this is a nice wide fabric. Let me show you how wide this thing is. It's like, yeah, it's a 60-inch wide fabric. But it's so cute because it's got these little jars, and it's all going in one direction. But because of the size of it, I can cut the fat quarters in the right direction without any waste. So we're going to do some fat quarters out of that. And then I found this beautiful upholstery weight fabric. Isn't that gorgeous? Nice, heavy upholstery weight. And there's probably, this is off a roll. This is not flat fold fabric. So this is about 60-inch wide. And I would say there's a good 2 to 3 yards here, at least. So I grabbed that. And then I found this. Isn't that beautiful? I love it. Right? It just has all the colors in it, and it's so unique and so vibrant, and the black is so rich, so I found that. And then I found this. Now, this used to be one of my favorite fabrics, and I haven't seen this in a long time. This is like vegetables and fruits and stuff, and it has little seed packs on it and things like that, and flowers and stuff, and it's just gorgeous, just absolutely gorgeous. It's on a dark blue background, but it is beautiful and very nice. It's a good, nice weight cotton. So I grabbed that, and then I saw this, and come on, right? Rainbow Mermaid, gotta have. So I grabbed that, and then I found this, and you know, I call my grandkids my minions. I have, since my kids were little. This is about 1/2 yard, give or take. Yeah, it is just at 1/2 yard of minion fabric, and I have some minion paper, so I am going to be making a minion journal, just because I want to. But I did buy a pack of minion paper, so I'm going to be doing a minion journal. So that was kind of all I got at the thrift store today. And then I went by the Dollar Tree, and I grabbed some more of those 28mm cutters. Excuse me, because a lot of people said that they would be interested in getting some. So I grabbed what I could of them, what they had. So I grabbed those. I'm going to put them in the shop. And that's kind of it, guys. That was all I got today. But I did only go to the 2 real stores, really only one thrift store. But I will be going back out to Scaventure later in the week with the Hubber. We're going to go out on Thursday and do a little scaventuring and see what I can find. Until then, if you're new here and you haven't done so already, go ahead and hit that red button for me. Like me, ring my bell, and share me with all of your friends. And I will see you the next time. Bye-bye.